Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll guide you through the setup process for your Roku Ultra 2020. This advanced streaming device provides 4K HDR streaming, voice control, and numerous other features to enhance your entertainment experience. Let's dive into the setup. First, let's unbox your Roku Ultra 2020. Inside the box, you'll find the Roku Ultra device, a remote control, a pair of headphones, a power adapter, and an HDMI cable. Now, let's connect the Roku Ultra to your TV. Start by plugging one end of the HDMI cable into the Roku Ultra and the other end into an available HDMI port on your TV. Next, connect the power adapter to the Roku Ultra and plug it into a power outlet. Power on your TV and choose the HDMI input where the Roku Ultra is connected. The Roku logo should appear on your screen, indicating the device is properly connected and ready for setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair your remote. Open the battery compartment to locate the pairing button, then press and hold it until the remote pairs successfully with your Roku Ultra. Once your remote is paired, you'll be prompted to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. The Roku Ultra will automatically check for updates and install them if necessary. Next, you'll need to link your Roku Ultra to your Roku account. Visit the URL displayed on your screen using a computer or smartphone and enter the code provided. If you don't already have a Roku account, you can easily create one now. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to sign up, ensuring you can fully utilize all features of your Roku Ultra. After linking your account, you can personalize your settings. Choose your preferred language, display type, and audio settings. You can also set up your favorite streaming channel. Your Roku Ultra remote has built-in voice control. Press and hold the microphone button on the remote to search for content, launch channels, or control playback using your voice. The Roku Ultra remote also supports private listening. Plug the included headphones into the remote to enjoy your shows without disturbing others. If you